What I want you to do is I want you to see if you can tell me what the size is of this angle here. So we know this is an isosceles triangle in the middle. We know they add to 180 degrees. Brilliant, well done.
So the one on the right will be 180.
So, what facts do we know? Go on, what we can tell me about that opposite angle?
The 45 degrees is in a cube, and then at the top, near the, like above the triangle, is another cube.
What?
Do you know
Here?
Where it has, yeah, no,
Or here?
no. The other side. Do you know where it's like, well, it's more of a reflect.
Reflex. It's not. Right, let's have a look. Now, remember what we said about those crosses. What can you tell me about this angle? If that's 45 degrees,
That's 35 degrees.
what size must that be?
45.
45 degrees. Brilliant. Okay. If this triangle is an isosceles triangle and that angle is the same as that angle, how can we work those two out?
It's 45 at 45 in the top right. And then
It's not 45
You
at
do
45.
45 and 180.
We'd do 180, take away 45.
Oh, take away 45.
That's
Yeah.
what I said.
180 take away 45 is 135,
But why don't you add the 45s together?
because those two are different angles.
Oh, right.
Okay. So now, if I know that that angle, add that angle, makes 135 degrees,
What is the
so what do I have to do? Because that's like the base of the triangle, Harvey. What do I have to do with that?
You have to half it.
Good boy. Well done. That's really, really good working out. So we've got 67.5. Okay? So that angle is 67.5 and that angle is 67.5. Okay? Now, you want some really cool maths? Because this is really, I love doing this because it's like finding that puzzle. Look at this angle here. What do you notice about that angle there?
It looks similar.
Can you remember that posh maths word that we use for exactly the same shape? It started con. Congruent. They're congruent. That angle, can you see these lines are parallel here?
Yeah.
Okay. If you've got angles on a parallel line, they're the same. So watch. That angle is 45 degrees. Can you see how that angle is the same?
Yeah.
That's 45 degrees as well. So if that angle there is 45 degrees, and we know that angle is 45 degrees, and that angle is 45 degrees, what's that size?
That's going to be 45 degrees.
That's going to be 45 degrees as well. Okay, so now, could it help me to work this bit out here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What would I do?
Add the two 45s together.
No. Good try.
I mean,
Look,
take
I've got 67.5 here.
Well,
There. So that is like my straight line, isn't it? What are the degrees on a straight line?
180.
Oh, so
180.
you do 45 take away 180.
Other way round.
45 and 180.
So 180
Equals
take away 45
135 degrees.
is 135 degrees.
Half it.
So, no, not yet. So that one and that one together make 135. So if I then do 135, take away 67.5, I'll have that angle equaling 67.5 degrees. Okay?
Don't you need to halve it?
No, you don't.
What?
Don't need to halve that number. Now, the other way to do it is with our similar angles. Okay? So just look at this last one, and then this is absolutely the last one. You remember we worked out that angle was 67.5 degrees?
Yeah.
What's this angle?
That would be 67.5.
67.5, yeah. Well done. So if that angle is 67.5 degrees. What's that angle? Because they're on a parallel line. 67.5, because actually the angles on a parallel line are equal. Watch this next bit. So I'm going to put some straight lines on the page. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Can you see, when you look at that angle, that it's the same shape and size as that one?
Yeah.
They are
Congruent.
Can you see that angle is the same size as that one?
Yeah.
Yeah? And that one is the same size as?
That one.
And that one is the same size as?
That one.
So, if the question is, this angle is 30 degrees,
Yeah.
what is the size of angle A, and what's the size of angle B? What's the size of angle A going to be?
30 degrees.
Brilliant. A equals 30.
And then you add those two together to find out what B would be.
Well, B, because we've got from all the way around here, you've got 180 degrees in a straight line.
Yeah.
Okay? 180 degrees, take away that 30, B's going to be,
160.
no, 180 degrees on your straight line, take away 30 is 150 degrees. So B equals 150.
Well,
Oh.
Okay.